Bless you.
Thank you.
Hey, Sue.
Good morning, Mark. Happy Monday.
Thank you for the reminder. What flavor do we have here?
Well, I was doing a little experimenting last night, and I came up with chocolate chip mint.
Sue, these are amazing, as always. Have you ever thought of charging for these or anything?
You know, you're not the first intern to tell me that, but I don't know if I'm ready to dive into the corporate world and make a Sue splash.
Well, I don't know if... never mind. Thanks for this.
You know, I'll think about it just for you, Mark.
You don't have any eye drops, do you?
No, I don't. Sorry. Are you okay?
Yeah, it's just these stupid allergies. Went to an intramural soccer game yesterday, and I never get to go in. So I took a nap on the sidelines in a bed of flowers, and I think it's the pollen or something.
Sounds rough.
Yeah, tell me about it. Looked like I was punched in the face by a sunflower, and I'm no close to getting any playing time. Hey, I'll be the one laughing when the pollen turns on you.
I don't get allergies.
None at all?
Apart from a pretty serious cinnamon allergy, no.
Good for you.
Bless you.
For you. Thank you.
Well, let me know if you need something. I think I have some cough drops.
Thanks.
Bless you.
Thank you.
Bless you.
Bless you.
Bless you. Bless you. Bless you.
Thanks.
Hey, everyone.
Welcome.
I don't mean to be rude, but can we just keep it down a little more? I'm trying to get something done.
Mark, no one is talking.
What is with you today?
Bless you.
Thank you.
Bless you.
Bless you. Bless you.
Thanks.
Bless you.
Bless you.
Bless you. Bless you.
Bless you.
You do know that you don't have to drop what you're doing every time someone sneezes, right? Like, nothing awful is gonna happen if you don't get to say bless you to somebody.
But what about your soul?
What?
When you sneeze, it's your soul trying to get out, and saying bless you jams it back in.
I've heard that too.
Oh my god, what?
So let me get this straight. You don't want us to say bless you.
Correct.
Is this an anti-religious thing?
Yeah, what about Gesundheit?
No. It's not about the word, it's about the noise. I know you can't control a sneeze when it comes on, but everybody doesn't have to drop what they're doing and make a whole thing out of it every time.
I'm not following.
It is so beyond distracting to sit here and hear, thank you, bless you, achoo, bless you, thank you, every 2 seconds while I'm just trying to do something simple, and I can't even think about that.
What about if someone sneezes?
What about it? Nothing happens. You just sneeze quietly and you go on about your day.
But that's not how it works.
Right? That's not how it works.
You guys know how some people prefer the toilet paper roll to fall over the side and some people prefer it to go under? Well, I heard Mark doesn't like either way.
What? What does he do?
Apparently, when he gets a new roll, he tears off all the individual pieces and puts them into a pile.
Oh, so he touches every single piece? That's disgusting.
Well, I heard last month when we signed that card for Mary's retirement, he said he'd sign it later, and he never did.
Whoa.
No.
Okay.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Like, I didn't know your autograph was such a hot commodity.
I mean, okay, nobody really likes Mary, but I was brought up to believe that when you get a card, you sign it, no questions asked. It's not.
Have you guys noticed that when we're all singing for someone's birthday, he just mouths the words?
Oh.
It's true. And then he takes the frosting off his cake slice.
What a weirdo.
Do you think he's like a psychopath?
I wouldn't doubt it.
Today, he offered me a cough drop.
You didn't take it, did you?
God, no.
Oh my god, it was probably poison.
Yeah.
I wouldn't put it past him. You know, guys, we need to get him before he gets us.
He could go off the deep end at any second, and if today's anything to go by, I think he's nearing the edge.
Yeah. I think I have an idea. I think this is going too far.
No, this has to be done. He's a dangerous anarchist.
I know.
Hey, what's up, guys?
Oh.
Everyone having a good day?
Yeah, totally.
We're just chilling.
Yeah. It seems a little bit tense in the office today, don't you think?
No.
Everyone here is completely normal.
Yeah, just a couple of normies, just having a chat.
What? You know, I'm gonna go finish this by the front desk or something. Does anybody want something? A cookie? No?
No.
Fine.
That's good. Hey there, Sue. I have to tell you, it has been the most bizarre day in the office today. I think a minute ago I was almost poisoned.
Oh no.
It's like everyone in the office is just on edge for some reason. I might need another famous mint chocolate chip cookie to get through the day.
I'm all out.
Well, I just saw you take the basket and put it under your desk.
No, I didn't do that.
Okay. Do you have like a mint or anything for me before I have to go back in there?
Mark, do I look like Mary Poppins to you? Do you think I can just pull things out of my desk on command?
Are you okay?
Why? Do I seem on edge? Is that it?
Okay. I'm just gonna go get back to work then. What is going on? Hey, I don't have like a dick drawn on my face or something, do I? Achoo! Typical.
Mark, come in. Take a seat. I'll be just a moment. I'm just finishing something important.
Sure thing.
Just a sec. Right. Now, Mark, do you know why you're here?
Is it about my incorrect paycheck from last week?
Oh, Mark. Markety Mark. Big M. The office jokester. Mark from marketing. The marketeer.
Yeah, nobody calls me any of those things. So,
I've been getting a lot of agitated concerns about you.
about me. From who?
From whom? And I won't mention individuals. The entire marketing department.
I'm sorry, what?
This is an office family. And your work family thinks you're creating an uncomfortable work environment.
They're the ones being rude to me.
I don't see how that's possible.
Janine tried to poison me earlier today.
Oh, what's a little poison between friends?
I'm gonna go back to work now.
Mark, why do you hate people with allergies?
Is this because I refuse to waste everyone's time by saying bless you?
It's okay if you have a small prejudice problem, Mark.
This isn't a prejudice. I don't hate anybody. What I hate is getting distracted from what I have to get done in a day.
We all have little things that set us off, but you can't bring that stuff here. You need to keep it at home where negativity belongs.
You're not listening. Every single time somebody sneezes, it results in a chorus of bless yous and thank yous and more achus and more bless yous and thank yous. It's like working with a bunch of friggin' parrots.
Here's what I'm going to do. Mark, I'm going to give you this form. You're going to take it to room 006, and we can deal with all of your little concerns then.
What is in room 006?
Now, this can be tricky for some people, maybe especially tricky.
Excuse me. Hi, Cindy.
Oh, welcome. Thanks for joining us. Why don't you start by telling everyone why you're here?
I have no idea.
The paper.
Until further notice, employee Mark Smalls is assigned to attend emergency retraining for being an antisocial threat to office harmony.
Thank you, Mark. Yes, why don't you take that spare seat next to Sue?
Sue, what are you doing here?
Remember when you told me to sell my cookies?
Yeah?
I did it.
Huh. What a lovely collection of disruptive outcasts we have here. But don't worry, we are going to be able to fix each and every one of you.
Yeah, to that, I just want to say I'm not a menace or antisocial.
Of course you're not. And I see you've already gotten to know Miss Sells Her Cookies for Money. So why don't you just get to know the rest of the group?
Hi, I'm Brian. I've been here for 4 days. I'm here because I suggested we switch out cookies for fresh fruit in the break room. I figured because some of us are watching our weight that...
Thank you.
Hello, my name is Mary. This is my 3rd week here. I was sent here because I don't know what a pivot table is, and no one has told me. You would think if it was so important, someone would just teach me.
You're forgetting that real self-improvement comes from within. Right, Samantha?
Oh, I'm Samantha. I've been here for 4 months, 8 days, and 5 hours because, well,
Go on.
I prefer orange sticky notes to yellow ones.
Mark?
Hi, I'm Mark. I've been here 2 minutes, and I was sent down because I don't think you should have to say bless you after somebody sneezes.
Right, thank you. Let's all make Mark feel very welcome here. I have a feeling he's going to be here a
very long time.
Thank you. You're welcome. Bless you. Bless you. Thank you. Bless you.
Bless you. Bless you. Bless you. Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, cut.